Nietzsche provocatively declared that what does not kill me makes me stronger. But what if the greatest strength against a psychological predator lies not in direct confrontation, but in becoming utterly, profoundly uninteresting? What if your most potent weapon against the relentless pull of a narcissistic personality is to simply bore them into oblivion? This isn't weakness, it's a radical act of self-sovereignty, a psychological jujitsu that turns their hunger for drama against them. Welcome to the grey rock method. We've all encountered them, or perhaps you're trapped in their orbit right now. The charismatic, demanding individual whose presence feels like a constant insidious drain. They thrive on attention, positive or negative, feeding on your reactions, your emotional turmoil, your desperate attempts to make sense of their contradictory world. You walk on eggshells, constantly explaining, defending, justifying, feeling your life force siphoned away, leaving you hollowed out, questioning your own sanity. This isn't just about difficult people. It's about a fundamental assault on your psychological well-being, where your self-worth is held hostage by another's insatiable ego. You've tried fighting, reasoning, pleading, but nothing seems to work. Every engagement, every argument, every emotional plea fuels their fire, reinforcing their delusion of power over you. It's an exhausting, relentless cycle, one that leaves you diminished, alone, and searching for escape. This is where philosophical psychology offers a radical solution, the grey rock method. At its core, it's not merely a technique. It's a profound reorientation of your personal sovereignty. Imagine yourself as a bland, uninteresting grey rock. Narcissists, like emotional vampires, feed on narcissistic supply. Attention, adoration, drama, anger, fear, sympathy. When you become a grey rock, you offer none of these. You become unresponsive, unreactive, unengaging. You are present, but devoid of the emotional fuel they so desperately crave. From a Jungian perspective, the narcissist is often trapped in a fragile persona, projecting their unresolved shadow material onto others. They seek to manipulate you into playing a specific role in their grandiose self-narrative, often as an admirer, a victim, or an antagonist. The grey rock method refuses to participate in this drama. You deny them the mirror they crave for their distorted self-image. You become an unreflective surface, offering no image back. Nietzsche's philosophy reminds us of the will to power, the fundamental drive for self-overcoming and influence. The narcissist's will to power manifests as a need to dominate and control your emotional landscape. By becoming a grey rock, you reclaim your own will. You refuse to be a mere pawn in their game. You demonstrate an inner fortitude that declares, "My emotional energy is mine, not yours to consume." This isn't about being passive. It's an active, strategic withdrawal of vital resources. It's a subtle, almost invisible act of rebellion. You offer factual, minimal responses. No explanations, no apologies, no personal details, no emotional reactions. You make yourself so utterly unstimulating that they eventually grow bored and move on to someone else who offers a more vibrant supply. The key is consistency, detachment, and an unwavering commitment to your own psychological preservation. You are not trying to change them, you are changing your accessibility to them. Implementing the grey rock method requires discipline and understanding its philosophical underpinnings. Here are 5 actionable steps. 1. Minimize emotional reactions. The cardinal rule: no anger, no tears, no frustration, no joy that involves them. Respond with a neutral tone and expression. 2. Keep conversations brief and factual. Answer questions with minimal words. Yes, no, okay, I'll look into it. Avoid expanding, volunteering information, or engaging in debate. 3. Avoid personal disclosure. Do not share your feelings, your day, your plans, or anything that could be used as leverage or fuel for future conversations. 4. Don't defend or explain. Narcissists thrive on argument. That's your opinion, or "I understand you feel that way" is sufficient. 5. Set internal boundaries. Even if you can't go no contact, you can go low contact emotionally. Remind yourself that their reality isn't yours and their manipulations don't define your worth. This isn't about cruelty, it's about radical self-preservation. It's an act of profound self-respect, reclaiming your psychological real estate from someone who sought to colonize it. As you embrace the grey rock, remember, you are not shrinking. You are fortifying your inner world. You are making a philosophical statement. My peace is not for sale. By denying them the stage, you empower yourself to finally step away from the drama, to heal, and to cultivate relationships built on genuine respect and reciprocity. Embrace the power of the profoundly unremarkable, and watch as the narcissist, starved of their sustenance, simply fades away, leaving you to reclaim your vibrant, authentic self. This is your liberation,